I think I prefer this one to the other one.
Do you?
Yeah, in a way, because it's, you know, it's original, it's there. I don't want to touch it, but I don't think there's any other hotel in the world that's got a Banksy on display in the lobby. And if there is, that's a really embarrassing thing for me to just say. Good morning, people of
New Orleans.
New Orleans. We went out last night, Bourbon Street, Frenchman Street, jazz music, grenades, whiskey, gin, food, kebabs, cocktails. Today we're going to do a few of the artsy, cultural type bucket list items. Enjoy our city tour. It's going to commence right now. We've just arrived at the Banksy Umbrella Girl. It looks really cool. They've covered it with this piece of perspex glass, which I think is really good, because I know a lot of time they get vandalised. It was actually done in 2008, I understand, so it's been here for 11 years now. The advice I'd give you is come here in the dusk time, because as you can see there's like a reflection on it, where there's the perspex, so it's quite hard to get a decent shot of like, with no reflection. It is located at 1440 North Rampart Street, which is just off Esplanade Avenue. You walk 1 block away from Esplanade and it's just here on the corner. There's loads of other graffiti here as well, where obviously people have taken somewhat of inspiration from it. First item of our city tour ticked off the list. So we've just arrived at the American Horror Story house. I think someone actually lives here though. I mean, there's a sign here which says security dogs and cameras. I bet when they agreed to that, they were like, oh, that sounds okay.
But
now they're like, F***. See, I've never actually watched the show, but it looks really popular because there's loads of people here taking pictures now. They're having a little photo shoot.
it's such a, but like the house is iconic. Like,
It is a beautiful house. It's on Google Maps as Buckner Mansion.
it's on Jackson Avenue, between Coliseum Street and Britannia Street. I love my pictures. I'm gonna send them to the girls and see what ones they think are best.
I'm glad, Beth. I'm glad I did a good job on the pictures, because normally I'm not up to your standards.
You're getting there.
Anyway, next up, Magazine Street. Coffee, cake.
Maybe donuts.
Juan's Flying Burrito, Magazine Street. One thing that we've noticed about New Orleans, there's definitely a gap in the market for the vegan stuff. Any of you prospective business men out there, or women, start doing some vegan stuff, and I think there's some money to be city tour stop 3 completed. When we was in that restaurant, we actually had a little look at some more things that were within walking distance. There's another Banksy, which wasn't too far from here. However, the owner removed the piece of wall and has now, as I understand, got it on display in a hotel lobby, which is about a 30-minute walk from here. And I feel like we need to walk off this mill anyway. So we're gonna walk there and hopefully get another Banksy under our belts today.
Can't get anything else on here.
found the hotel where this Banksy is, but it's really, really posh.
I think they're not listening, to be honest.
I think we've got to try our luck, haven't we? And see if we can.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Hi.
Yeah, London.
Yeah.
Are we allowed to come in? Is that right?
How's it going?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bo. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
We have an original Banksy in here, man. This is like actually the biggest.
I was reading about it online,
Yeah.
and it was the guy removed it from the side of the building.
Definitely our owner, Mr. Sean Cummins.
Okay.
So we also have like a little expo back here that'll give you more light on it. Just bring y'all back here, y'all can check it out. Man.
Wow, thank you very much. That security guard there, I think he's a security guard, or the guy on reception is so nice. Just off the hotel lobby, there's a little shrine to Banksy in here with loads of stuff. Exit through the gift shop. The Banksy movie is really, really interesting. I saw that before. And it's got the story of the piece of art. It was originally done in August 2008, and as of May 2019, it's been on display. And it will remain on display at the International House Hotel. Come check it out for yourselves. You can find it at 211 Camp Street, New Orleans. It's just a shame, Bev, that we're not actually staying in this hotel.
It's really nice.
It is really, really posh in here, isn't it? Who is Banksy? Who is he? There's a thing on the wall in there, and it says when he does these murals, he wears a high vis and plays Heart FM really loudly. I could be Banksy.
I could be.
You could be.
It's got dark.
It's got dark. It's transpired. But also, we've just sort of been wandering around. Like, we was going to go and eat seafood originally, but I'm still full up from that lunch.
It's just gone down.
That was so much food. The day just spiraled out of control. It rapidly went downhill, didn't it?
Like my teenage years.
I think for the rest of the evening, we're going to go back to Frenchman Street, watch some jazz for a few hours, and ease ourselves into the rest of the night.
Into the madness.
You may hear from me again.
If not, it's been wild.
If not, it's been emotional, it's been really good. You have caught us at a good time to sign off next to this Christmas tree.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We do. Happy Christmas to all of you.
And a Happy New Year.
Even though this video probably won't go out till like February.
You filthy animals.